got some niggas I can't even post because they did the most. Real G's deserve a toast, how they stayed so close, not worrying about nothing when they with me, cause they know I would roast for the love of the game. I try to stay far away from the lanes, recruit the real and watch you gain. So many homies are lost trying to deal with the pain. All I see is rain through my vision. So war is my final decision. Got to be wise and don't get caught up in prison. It is what it is, so really nothing to mention. Just let the lid start spitting like a bird on your head shitting. You get my comprehension, trying to relieve the stress. It's a mission, hope possible, because the rage is unstoppable. For my people, I will rock you, I will drop you. That's some real shit, nigga, and I don't knock you if you do the same. What I do, that's true, because we real, man. The